Greetings, my name is Khalid Mohamed and I'll be presenting our paper on societal acceptance and readiness to EVs by yours truly, Henoke Walde and Salma Mesalarifi, all from the University of Leeds. One of the highest carbon emission sources currently is our transport industry. A promising solution to tackling this is through electrification, specifically through electric vehicles. However, electric vehicles require a charging infrastructure and a supporting manufacturing industry. And if their effects of carbon reduction are to be tangible, they need to also be powered by renewable sources. This provides sustainability questions regarding their manufacturing industry and the power of their charging infrastructure. This electric vehicles paradigm is also underpinned by perception, and this spans across 3 levels. Public perception affects the usage of these cars, and main concerns usually space over pricing and availability of charging infrastructure. Governmental perception is actually a positive driving factor currently, especially with the UK 2050 net zero plan and the City of Leeds encouraging electric vehicle charging infrastructure deployment. On the industrial level, there's some hesitance regarding a full push towards electric vehicles as a complete replacement of internal combustion engines. We can gauge these perceptions using the Pestle method and categorize them as threats or opportunities on these axes. On the political spectrum, we can see that exaggeration of current achievements regarding carbon reduction makes users less likely to use environmentally friendly products. However, an opportunity presents itself for innovative legislation and through political intervention, which can support this push for electrification. On the economic spectrum, the increase in producing costs for UK manufacturing products is a problem, a threat, and high competitors emerging in countries like China are also an economical threat. However, an opportunity presents itself as extra government funding can pave the road to a zero carbon emission strategy by providing extra funding for manufacturing, research and development, and individuals by tax reforms for electric vehicles and helping them become more affordable. On the societal spectrum, we can see threats as early adopters are often better educated, showing a correlation between uptake of EVs and education level and income level. Furthermore, early uptake of EVs is seen as a gendered attribute, at least in the UK. Furthermore, vehicle symbolism, price, and economy all affect uptake of EVs. On the other hand, this provides an opportunity for sustainability education in early learning, societal, public media, and universities, and in the workplace. Legally, we can see that this modest uptake of EVs makes it difficult to anticipate various legal aspects of the technology, societal, environmental, or economic. However, this provides an opportunity for the UK to lead and pioneer legislation of sustainable societies. To directly survey public opinion, a survey was designed. Demographic grouping focused on age groups and education level, followed by questions regarding attitude towards UK government policy and sustainability. Lastly, questions were asked about willingness to invest in electric vehicles. Data and quality control was done through ensuring locality, as in all the participants were from the City of Leeds and living there currently. Distribution was done through the University of Leeds. And for simplicity, questions were made as simple as possible with options for open-ended answers. If I can direct your attention to the educational level of the respondents of the study, there are primarily 38% bachelor's degree holders, with the second majority being postgraduate degree holders, and the smallest minority being doctorate degree holders. Next up, participants were asked about what they think of current government policy regarding decarbonization, in the UK specifically. And the majority agreed that it was effective, with the majority being undergraduate study holders, and the second majority being postgraduate degree holders. The second majority, however, in response, said that they were not sure about government legislations, with the majority of them being undergraduates, and the second majority being postgraduate degree holders. The minority were people who were in complete disagreement about how the government is handling decarbonization. Then, to further gauge their direct opinion on EVs, the participants were asked about why they would be less likely to invest on EVs, with the large majority of them having varying reasons, and the second majority saying that EV vehicles charge from fossil fuel sources, interestingly enough, and the small minorities being that they think that EV charging times are better, but they're still not enough, and some thinking that conventional vehicles are better than electric vehicles. Their attitude shifts were gauged, and they were asked about how likely they would change their opinion towards positively supporting EVs if they're a renewable energy source and if they consider their automation capabilities. The majority said that they would change their opinion, and that was the large majority. Regarding attitude towards automation, the majority also said that they would change their opinion more favorably towards EVs if they were fully automated. Hence, from the results, we can see that public attitude and perception will vary, and attitude shift towards EVs is possible. This can only be done through communication. So, ergo, we recommend increase of public awareness, and that this awareness should be multi-leveled, on educational, early, and employment levels. And further research should be done with larger sample size. In conclusion, we can see that public attitude towards EVs is positive, as EVs has unique selling points such as automation and public health advantages due to distancing.